Hey guys, welcome back to another Blu-ray 4K unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, the Walmart exclusive Blu-ray 4K digital copy Steelbook. So here it is. We got the Steelbook in hand here. On the cover there, you got the main character, Coriolanus Snow, surrounded by some sort of white flower. Looks like Katniss, I guess. So, yeah. There's a closer look there. Up in the corner, typical of the Lionsgate slip-covered steelbooks, you got the slanted text saying what's inside. So yeah, there's that cover there. Got the title there. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty cool. On the spine, you get the title once again, along with the what is it, like a logo or like the image of like the songbird and the snake. You got your Ultra HD Blu-ray logo and your Lionsgate logo. Looks like it's the same on the other side of the spine. On the back, you got a picture of Lucy Gray. Looks similar to the one in the front. Up there in the corner, you've got your description of the film, which is kind of hard to read because of the shrink wrap, so I'll give another look at it later, but there's that. Down here, you got your listing of the discs and your list of special features, so if you want to pause the video, give that a read. There it is. You got your information about the digital copy code, which I will use. I use all my digital codes. Some information on how to watch this movie on 4K Ultra HD. Your technical specs, your credits, all that good stuff. And then this movie is rated PG-13 for strong, violent content and disturbing material. And yeah. So there's that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open it up here. I think as long as I puncture the shrink wrap somehow, should be good. Alright, so there it is. There we go. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay, so I think we'll just kind of give like a quick overview of the Steelbook without the shrink wrap, with the slipcover on it. Looks pretty nice. And then there's that description there. So if you want to pause the video, read the description, there it is. Should be a lot easier to read there. There's all that information again, all those credits and technical specs. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take off the slipcover here. Should look pretty crazy. So there's the Steelbook without that slipcover. Spine looks pretty cool. And then Lucy Gray on the back. Pretty nice, pretty cool. Now, opening it up, you get a few things here. Got your slip on the left-hand side. In blue, you got your Blu-ray disc with some nice disc art. And on the 4K disc, it's got this nice red color. Pretty cool. And then let's go ahead and take out the discs and just take a look at the inside artwork, which I'm glad that this Steelbook has. And there it is. Got the TV screens with the Hunger Games on it. Pretty nice, pretty cool. So there's that inside there. And then here's the outside. Very nice, very cool. Very nice glossy steelbook. So yeah, that is the Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, the Walmart exclusive 4K Blu-ray steelbook. And that was the Walmart exclusive 4K Blu-ray steelbook for The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. And I gotta say, you guys, I really dig these Lionsgate steelbooks. I love that they include the slipcover. I really like that extra layer to protect the steelbook. And they do a really good job with their steelbooks. They always make it really nice and fun. You know, you take it off and it looks entirely different without the slipcover. It's just wild. It's crazy. It's cool. And I like that this one matches up with the recently released Hunger Games Collection 4K steelbook set that Walmart released a little while ago. So yeah, that's pretty cool, pretty nice. As for the movie itself, I really enjoyed the movie. I did a review for the book on this channel quite a while ago, and from what I read, I really enjoyed the book. I liked it, and I thought it would make a really good movie adaptation. I was a little worried when this movie was announced because I wasn't sure how it was going to be faithful to the book, seeing as to how fast it went from being a book and then turned into a movie. But I'm glad to say that this one, from what I remember, is pretty faithful to the book, and I think it's a worthy inclusion of the Hunger Games franchise. Definitely a darker take on the Hunger Games, a more brutal take, seeing as to how it focuses on one of the earlier Hunger Games, and just an overall interesting story, and very nice, very good. This was in, I think, my top 15 of movies for 2023, so yeah, I definitely recommend it if you're a big Hunger Games fan, and, you know, if you're a fan of the Lionsgate steelbooks, I highly recommend, if you're able to pick this movie up on the steelbook, to do so. It's great, and I'm really happy with the purchase. So, that being said, I'll just leave it at that, guys. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought of this movie. No spoilers, please. And let me know where it ranks in your ranking of the Hunger Games movies. But, again, like I said, that's basically it for this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next Blu-ray unboxing video. Later.